do you say?
My name is Asalee, and I'm thankful for a man like my daddy who fought bad guys so we can be living free and protected. And I'm glad that God brings my daddy home. I will be singing When Johnny Comes Marching Home for my daddy. When Johnny comes marching home again, oh ah, oh ah. And then mighty welcome back, oh ah, oh ah. The men would cheer and the boys would shout, the ladies and will all turn out, oh, feel gay when Johnny comes marching home.
When Johnny
Comes marching home again, oh ah, oh ah. Welcome home, a hearty welcome then, oh ah, oh ah. The men would cheer and the boys would shout, the ladies now will all turn out, oh, feel gay when Johnny comes marching home.
And then, oh wait, say, put your arms out and say, God bless America.
God bless America!
And take a step backwards. Right. So the moves will just be,
Click, click.
let's see. Let's just show the moves really quick. So we'll just put one arm up on hurrah and then put it down. Put this one down and then hurrah. So leave your hands down other than that. So it's like when Johnny comes can you sing it with me? When Johnny comes marching home again, hurrah, hurrah. We'll give him a hearty welcome then, hurrah. Just one. And then put hurrah. And then put your hands down. And then we'll go like this. The men will cheer.
The boys
So put your hands like, and put your elbows, yeah. The men will cheer and the boys will shout. And then put your hands back down. The ladies, they will all turn out. Could you do this? The ladies, they will all turn out. Take your hand like this and go. The ladies, they will all turn out. And we'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home. That's perfect. Just 3 little moves. Are you tired? That was so much work. You're going to be so great at the recital. I just can't wait to hear your performance. Yeah, and you have your little reward box. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
You want to push that red square to stop it?